Dear students, next is chapter 5, lines and angles. So you know different types of angles are there and their measurements are different. Okay. Now next is complementary angle. Complementary angle. What is complementary angle? When the sum of two acute angle is 90 degree. When the sum of two acute angle is 90 degree, then the angles are said to be complement to each other. Okay, that is the complementary angle. Then supplementary angle. What is supplementary angle? Supplementary angle is when the sum of two angle is 180 degree, then the angles are said to be supplement to each other. So complementary angle is sum is 90 degree, supplementary angle sum is 180 degree. So if it is given to you that if the measurement of one angle, one angle is 30 degree, then what is the complement of this angle? Then the complement of this angle will be 90 minus 30, that is 60 degree. Okay, so how can you find the complementary angle? If one angle is 30 degree, then complement of this angle is what? How can you find out? You have to find 90 degree minus 30 degree, that is 60 degree. Okay, so complement of 30 degree is 60 degree. Clear? If then how can you find the supplementary angle? If one angle is say 100 degree, then supplement of this angle is, so what is the supplementary angle of 100 degree? Then 180 minus 100, it is equal to 80 degree. So 80 is the supplementary angle of 100 degree. So always you remember the complementary angle sum of two angle is 90 degree and the supplementary angle sum of two angle is 180 degree, that is supplementary angle. Clear? Then come to the adjacent angle. Adjacent angle. Already you do it in class 6. What is adjacent angle? See this one. Adjacent angle when the vertex of two angle is common vertex. There is a common vertex, say A, B, C. This is vertex is O. So adjacent angle comes in a pair. Always it comes in a pair. Okay. So adjacent angle, there is a common arm. OB is the common arm. Okay. Common vertex is O. Clear? Then one angle is BOC. Another angle is AOB. That means angle AOB and angle BOC are adjacent angle. Okay, so these angles are adjacent angle. Clear? That means what is adjacent angle? In adjacent angle there is a common vertex, there is a common arm. Okay, and on both the sides there is two arm is there. Clear? So that is the adjacent angle. Okay, then see this, if you add this two angle, this not 180 degree. Now see this one, A, B, C, this is O. Clear? Now here also you see BOC is one angle and angle AOB is another angle. Okay, these two angles also adjacent angle. Clear? So angle AOB and angle BOC. Clear? If you add these two angle, you see this is a straight angle, is it? So if you add AOB and BOC, then you find this is 180 degree. Clear? When you find two adjacent angle 180 degree, then these angles are called linear pair angle. So here these two angles are linear pair angle. So what is linear pair angle? When two adjacent angles, the sum of two adjacent angle is 180 degree, then they are called linear pair angle. These two angles also adjacent angle, but these two angle is not linear pair angle because these two angle does not make here 180 degree. 180 degree यहाँ पर नहीं बनाया. So ये linear pair angle नहीं है. But here you see यहाँ पर दो adjacent angle है. दो adjacent angle मिलके क्या बनाया? एक straight angle बनाया. What is the measurement of straight angle? Is 180 degree. मतलब दो एडजेसेंट एंगल मिलके यहाँ पर क्या कितना एंगल मेजरमेंट बनाया 180 डिग्री. देन इट इज कॉल्ड द लिनियर पेयर एंगल. ओके, देन कम टू द vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. So what is vertically opposite angle? When two lines intersect each other. Okay, this line AB, this line CD, they intersect each other at the point O. O पे intersect हुआ. अभी देखो यहाँ पर एक एंगल, यहाँ पर और एक एंगल, this is another angle, this is another angle. Okay, so vertically opposite angles are which one? COB and AOD. These two angles are vertically opposite angle, and BOD, this one, and COA, these two angles also vertically opposite angle. Okay, so there is a theorem. What is the theorem? Vertically opposite angles are always equal. Vertically opposite angles are always equal. You have to prove this theorem. I'll show how to prove it. Okay, now see. Theorem. What is theorem? Theorem is what you have to prove. You have what you can prove, that is called the theorem. जो तुम लोग prove कर सकते हो, proof के द्वारा जो चीज बोल सकते हो, that is called the theorem. Theorem you have to prove. Okay, so what is the theorem? Vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. This is the theorem, and this one you have to prove. कैसे vertically opposite angle equal होता है ये तुमको proof करना है. ठीक है, so for this in theorem, whenever you have to prove, 4 steps are there. See, first one, you take two intersecting lines. Okay, and the point of intersection is O. Clear? So let what you take, AB and CD are two intersecting lines and O is the point of intersection. Okay, point of intersection. First you write down your diagram. What is your diagram? That one you have to write down. Second step, what you have to prove. Then we are to prove that. ये तुम लोगों को सीखना है, ये तुम लोगों को प्रूफ करना सीखना है, कैसे प्रूफ होता है, ठीक है. वी आर टू प्रूव दैट. क्या प्रूफ करना है? दिस एंगल इक्वल टू दिस एंगल. क्लियर? विच वन? दिस एंगल इक्वल टू दिस एंगल. दैट बिकॉज दीज आर वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल. एंगल AOC इक्वल टू एंगल BOD. ये प्रूफ करना है. एंड एंगल दिस वन COB इक्वल टू दिस वन AOD. एंगल AOD. So this one you have to prove. Okay. Next is proof part. How can you prove it? AB is a line segment. This AB is a line segment. Okay. And always you remember, don't do this by heart. Whenever you practice it, you should practice with the diagram. Diagram के साथ इसको practice करना है, ठीक है. AB is a line segment and CO stands on AB. CO कहाँ पर है? AB के ऊपर है, ठीक है. अभी देखो CO AB के ऊपर एक straight line है. So it make here two angle. One is this one and another is this one. Okay. Therefore, angle AOC plus angle COB, it is equal to 180 degree. यहाँ पर एक 180 degree बना है कि नहीं? This is the straight line. Okay. 180 degree. Why? This is linear pair. अभी बोला था ना, what is linear pair? This when two adjacent angles make 180 degree, then it is called the linear pair. So this is linear pair. That's why it is 180 degree. Okay. This is equation number 1. Clear? Again you see, CD is a line segment and you see BO stand on CD. BO CD के ऊपर है. अभी देखो यहाँ पर भी दो एंगल बनाया. क्या एंगल बनाया? एंगल COB plus angle which one? BOD. This one is equal to 180 degree. Why? Same reason, linear pair. This reason you have to write down. This is equation number 1. Equation number 2. Now you see, this is equal to 180 degree. This one also equal to 180 degree. Clear? अभी देखो ये दोनों को कंपेयर करने से क्या मिलता है? ये जो 180 डिग्री है, ये भी 180 डिग्री है. Clear? That means this one equal. So this part and this part also equal because this is equal to 180 degree. This one also 180 degree. So comparing 1 and 2, we have ये इक्वेशन नंबर 1 और इक्वेशन नंबर 2 कंपेयर करके क्या मिलता है? दिस इक्वल टू दिस, बिकॉज बोथ द वैल्यूज आर सेम 180 डिग्री. So you can write down angle AOC plus angle COB equal to angle COB plus angle BOD. Clear? Now see, both side you see the COB is there. You can cancel this COB and COB. Okay. So this side what you find, angle AOC equal to angle BOD. मिला? ये देखो यहाँ पर प्रूफ क्या करना था, एंगल AOC इक्वल टू एंगल BOD. प्रूफ हो गया. अभी इसको क्या लिखना है? सिमिलरली we can prove that. क्या प्रूफ करना है? एंगल, द नेक्स्ट वन, दिस वन. ओके, no need to prove it, no need to show that one, just you write down similarly we can prove it. COB equal to angle AOD. हो गया प्रूव्ड. क्या प्रूव्ड हो गया? वर्टिकली opposite angles are equal. Okay.